Hey, what's up, YouTube sneaker fam? It's your girl 313 Retro Queen, and I'm here just to give y'all a little quick recap of earlier years issues, kinda. Now, the Bred 4 dropped. I put out a video letting y'all know not to sleep because you will take a L. And now here we are, fast forward to December. The Bred 11's about to drop. Y'all done got wind that there's 2.5 million pairs. And I really believe a lot of y'all done got laxed with your sneaker game and your copping skills. Now, there's 2.5 million pairs. But what y'all got to think about is that 2.5 million pairs in production is family sizing. I know, I hear you. That's still a lot of shoes. And it is. There are more in production this time around with the Bred 11s than there was last year this time with the Concords. And I know some of y'all took an L on the Concords. I want y'all to know, don't think it's not possible to take an L on the Bred 11s, okay? This is an iconic shoe. It is the Bred colorway. It is an 11. People are going to double up. No, people are going to triple up. Some people going to grab 4 pair just to have them on ice. Because we don't know. It's been, what, 7 years since the shoe came out. 7 years since the last retro. So, what I'm going to let y'all know is, if y'all don't want your shoe, don't do your apps. Foot Locker, Champs, Hibbett, Foot Action, Finish Line already done. So, it's kind of out the question for you. Also, check your sneakers app, people. Make sure, hey, look, I don't know your business, but make sure you ain't got no card on there that it's maxed out, because that ain't gonna go. Make sure you ain't got no card on there with it's been expired. That ain't gonna go. But again, even with these apps, people, I know, again, 2.5 million pairs. Still, go get your check-in. Go get your extra minute. It literally can't hurt. All it can do is help. Don't sit there and be like, oh, I'm good even. I ain't got to work that hard for it. Work just as hard for this super stupid general release as y'all worked for an off-white one. Work that hard. You still got to put in your work, people. Don't think you just going to be sliding through, because before you know it, you're going to take the L. I promise. I promise. Just like some of y'all took the L on the Bred 4 because y'all ain't want to listen to that video. But I'm telling you, put in the work. That's all y'all got to do. Put in the work and you'll get your shoe. Now, I don't know if y'all noticed today, but Sneakers app is even trying to give y'all a warning. They sent out a notification today, and it literally told y'all, go check your profile, make sure your address right, make sure your card information in there, make sure your shoe size in there. They letting y'all know too. It's not just me. Sneakers app is trying to tell y'all it is possible to take a L. Don't come calling customer service, because nah, we ain't got no more. I ain't nothing I can do for you. Your size gone. So, with that, good luck to everybody. Copping your pairs. Don't call me if you miss out, because I can't help.